I just can't keep my dirty paws off my rack for anything in the world. And what do I mean by that? Well, I have gone out and got a Ubiquiti patch panel to replace my existing patch panel that we literally just swapped around all of the ports on. And since I have this, I decided now would be a great time to also break out some of the shielded keystone jacks that FS provided to me in a previous video. These have been just sitting like back here on, or hanging on the wall for a long time. So we're going to be using these. These are really cool. You've seen them before, but I want to show you them again. So they look a bit like this. And they're all metal, and I think that it'll look really nice with this Ubiquiti patch panel. So it'll look something a bit like that. The silver is a little off, but otherwise I think it looks good. All right, but before we can even take all this stuff, we gotta go play with my rack. So let's go over there and we'll get fondle it together. I think that turned out to look really good. I'm actually kind of glad that I went through with this. Originally, I wasn't going to touch anything. I was just going to leave everything as is. But I felt like there would be more changes in the future to come because I feel like I'm always adding things to my home lab nowadays. And I foresee myself adding more things. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and get this modular patch panel. We'll get everything moved around. And, you know, of course, if I want to move things again in the future, I can just quickly detach them and move whatever the ports are, wherever, or whichever ports, wherever I need. The only thing I need to do now is actually order more of these keystone jacks, because I'm like down to my last 2, and obviously there's a bunch of empty holes which I could get what are those blanks for, but I really don't want those. I'd rather just have keystones in there because I think keystones look cooler. So I think that's it for now. We got everything where we want it for now. And I don't know what we're going to add in the future. It could literally be anything, more cameras, more, I don't know, anything. So I'm just going to leave it as is. I'll try not to touch it for a while, but that's an empty promise. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.